Right now, life is about convenience as I'm trying to navigate this mom of three with a newborn by myself. So for lunch, I'm doing grilled chicken bites for myself and Just Bare chicken nuggets for the kids. I'm going to be using 4 potatoes and splitting those between me and my children. We're going to be having oranges and some grapes. I've decided I'm going to make a wrap out of mine with a carb balanced tortilla and some lettuce. That's right. You see my face, hope it gives you help, it gives you help. And when you walk my way, hope it gives you help, it gives you help. I did put the fries back in the air fryer for a little bit just because I didn't like the way that they look, and they look so much better now. I am actually going to be adding some ranch seasoning to my fries and my wrap. Yummy, yummy.
In here.